Hello and welcome to another MCO update on Ethereum. The Ethereum chart is currently moving up nicely within this broader range. You could see between the red line and the green line. I've sketched out here some boundary lines for a range. We talk here about lower boundary around $1,500, upper boundary around $4,100. So it's a massive range, but we're moving kind of in the middle of this at the moment. So it's not a great trade location. More interesting trade location was obviously down here in support. And now we're moving up potentially in a fifth wave. So this is still what I am tracking as a potential larger diagonal pattern to the upside, yeah, in which we formed a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. Potentially this is a wave 4. And then we can get a wave 5 to the upside. Important is here to recognize that the wave 5 would also be an ABC structure. So the A wave element of that is likely currently unfolding, and it would either be a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move. The way I have sketched it here is that it's a 3-wave move, ABC, but it could also turn into 5 waves and do the complete circle wave A in one go. Now that is possible as well. That doesn't change the bullish thesis here. And it will obviously depend on the bull's ability to hold higher lows in the coming sessions. For now, we don't even have an indication that a local top has formed, okay? So we are going to take a look at that in a minute on the smaller time frame. I'm going to show you the smaller time frame movements, and I'm going to show you which levels now need to hold, let's say, to keep the overall upside impulse idea alive. So let's take a look at the shorter time frame. And here you can see that the market rallied so far in 3 waves. So we have an A wave, we have a B wave, and a C wave. So it's a 3-wave move to the upside. That is something I am tracking here. That's A, B, C of wave A. Then we can get a B wave pullback and a C wave rally from there. So I'm basically waiting for indications, waiting for evidence that the market has started this white wave B. And then from there, a C wave rally could obviously start, okay? Is that needed, that wave B? No. That's why we're tracking several levels up here in this region that will serve as initial confirmation whether a top has formed or not. So it will tell us that. For now, we haven't even broken upper micro support, okay? So if I'm zooming in a little bit, then again, as I said, it does look as if an A wave could be done or nearly done. And within the A wave, we are likely in the late stages of wave C. So far, the move to the upside from yesterday's swing low, no, from the Monday low, has formed 3 waves up. So with a 3-wave move up, we could get one more high, and then this could complete wave 5 of circle wave C. This is a potential impulse as long as the 2,572 level is holding. That is really just the nearest micro support. Honestly, this is not so meaningful at all. But for now, we are holding in this area. So if the move up from the Monday low is an impulse, it should hold this level. Okay, if not, then the next support level to watch is at 2,410. That's structural support. If that level breaks as well, then we start to finally have some confirmation that this A wave has topped. But I'd also like to see a break below 2,272 to confirm it further. So these are the 3 layers of confirmation that wave B has started. For now, we are in micro support, so it's about watching if the bulls turn up here for maybe one more high. That could take the price to 2,775. Like on the Bitcoin chart, I mean, other options are of course available. Like this could also turn into a larger diagonal, wave 1 in 3 waves, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. I'm not necessarily showing all these wave counts on the chart, but that's why I show you the levels, because if the upper micro support is broken, well, then the focus will shift to the previous swing low. But if that holds, it can still extend higher, you know? Do you know what I mean? So these are the key levels, where the price can still react. If these hold, then we still don't have a confirmation of a top. But we are, in my opinion, in a topping region. I just cannot confirm yet a top, and therefore, so far, it's been the right decision to keep the door open for higher. I keep you updated. Any signs for a top will be communicated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.